Hydration hack revealed. Drinking room temperature water hydrates you faster than ice cold water. Surprised? When you gulp down icy water, your body has to work overtime to warm it up to your body's natural temperature, delaying its absorption. This extra step can be a sneaky time thief, slowing down the hydration process just when you need it to be quick. Think of your body as a finely tuned machine that craves efficiency. When you drink water that's already at room temperature, it's like giving your body a head start. The water slips into action, ready to refresh and replenish your cells without any unnecessary detours. Your digestive system can immediately get to work, sending those vital H2O molecules where they're needed most. Imagine you're in the middle of an intense workout, feeling parched. Sipping room temperature water could be your hydration hack, delivering moisture faster and keeping you going longer. Unlike the chilling sensation of cold water, which might feel refreshing for a moment, room temperature water ensures you're genuinely satiating your thirst rapidly. Next time you reach for a drink, consider the speed of hydration over the cool factor. Room temperature water might not have the ice-cold allure, but it's the secret hydration booster your body will thank you for. Embrace the warmth, and feel the difference as your body recharges efficiently. Worry less, live more. Imagine reducing your anxiety by doing the exact opposite of what you've been told, allowing yourself to worry. It sounds counterintuitive, right? But here's the twist: by scheduling just 10 minutes of dedicated worry time each day, you can actually free up your mind to be stress-free for the rest of the time. This simple practice isn't about ignoring your problems, it's about giving them a dedicated space and time, so they don't spill over into the rest of your life. Our brains aren't designed to multitask endless streams of anxiety throughout the day. By setting aside a specific time to indulge in your worries, you're effectively telling your brain, "Hey, I've got this under control." This approach not only confines your stress but also gives you the mental space to focus on more positive, productive activities. The key is to be disciplined, stick to your 10-minute window, and don't let your worries wander outside of it. During your worry time, jot down anything that's bothering you. Write freely, but when the timer stops, so does your worrying. This technique allows you to acknowledge your stressors without letting them dominate your day. Over time, you'll find that your anxiety diminishes because it's not being fed by constant attention. Embracing your worries in this structured way can lead to increased mental clarity and emotional resilience. You'll start noticing that the rest of your day feels lighter and more manageable. So, give it a try, let your worries have their moment, and reclaim the rest of your time for peace and productivity. Wait before you brush. Brushing your teeth right after a meal might actually be harming your enamel. Most people don't realize that their post-meal dental routine could be doing more harm than good. Right after eating, your mouth becomes more acidic, and brushing during this time can scrub away that softened enamel, leading to long-term damage. Think about your enamel as a protective shield. When you eat, especially acidic foods like citrus or soda, that shield gets temporarily softened. Rushing to brush your teeth immediately is like attacking your defenses while they're down. Instead, give your saliva some time to neutralize the acids and naturally harden your enamel again. So, what's the magic waiting period? Dentists recommend at least 30 minutes before reaching for that toothbrush. In the meantime, you can rinse your mouth with water or chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva production, helping to protect your teeth until you can safely brush them. Your dental health could dramatically improve with just this one small change. Waiting a bit before brushing after meals isn't just a nifty tip, it's a game changer for your smile. Next time you finish eating, remember that patience is key to preserving your enamel and keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Grayscale your distraction now. Turning your screen to grayscale could break your social media addiction. Sounds wild, right? Our brains are hardwired to respond to bright colors, and this is exactly what social media platforms exploit to keep us hooked. By removing the distracting hues, you disrupt the dopamine hit your brain gets from all those vibrant notifications and endless content streams. Imagine scrolling through a feed that's devoid of color. Suddenly, your Instagram or TikTok timeline isn't as enticing. This simple trick can drastically reduce the time you spend mindlessly scrolling. It's like flipping a switch in your brain that says, "There's nothing interesting here," prompting you to put down your phone and engage in something more meaningful. This method taps into the psychology of design, where colors are used to manipulate our emotions and actions. By setting your screen to grayscale, you're effectively stripping away the visual stimuli that keep your attention locked. It's a surprisingly effective way to regain control over your digital habits without needing to delete your favorite apps or commit to an extreme digital detox. Next time you find yourself lost in the depths of social media, try this hack. You might be surprised how quickly it changes your behavior. It's a small adjustment with a powerful impact, offering a fresh perspective on how we interact with technology. Who knew a simple color tweak could be the secret weapon you needed to reclaim your time and focus? Dim lights, smart minds. Reading in a dimly lit room won't ruin your eyes, but guess what? It might actually make you smarter. Sounds wild, right? While we've all heard the warnings about eye strain, science suggests that your brain might be getting a workout, adapting and becoming more flexible in lower lighting conditions. Think about it, when the lights are low, your brain kicks into high gear, enhancing its ability to process visual information with less clarity. This isn't just a party trick, it's a testament to your brain's remarkable adaptability. Like a muscle being trained, your brain becomes more capable of handling challenges, which can spill over into other cognitive tasks. The real magic happens as your brain learns to optimize its neural pathways, improving your overall adaptability. This means you're not just better at reading in the dark but potentially more adept at problem solving and creative thinking. It's like giving your brain a little boot camp session every time you dim the lights. So next time you find yourself squinting at a book under a cozy lamp or reading your phone in bed, remember, you're not just absorbing the story, you're training your mind. Embrace the dimness and let your brain flex its adaptability muscles. It's a workout with benefits you never even realized.